Hey, what's up? Kevin here, your non-AI CEO of NinjaProxy. I'm going to take you through the portal. So basically you've received your email from us that has your username and password, and we're going to go check out the portal. So let's check it out. Go here to portal.ninjasproxy.com. You will put in your username and the password that was in your email. Log in. So that username and password's also the username and password for your proxies when you get a login. So we'll go ahead and talk about that. So basically, here we go. We're in the main interface. You can download list of credentials basically with or download your list of proxies either with credentials or without, so including the username and password or don't. Here you'll see your list of IPs, your proxy IPs. Username, you can change your password. Here in the portal, do know that it does have to contain lower, upper, and a digit at least. You have your API key here. We'll go over that here in just a second. And then authenticated IPs. So these authenticated IPs are IPs that don't need a username and password. Basically, you're whitelisting them to be able to use the proxy. You can add them manually down here, or you'll be able to do it via the API, which I'll show you here right now. I do recommend adding an IP description because that does allow you to remember why you added that IP. Some people do leave it blank, but then you come back later on and you're like, why did I do that? What IP is this? So having the description there, you can have up to 10 IPs. Just keep that in mind. So for the API, we'll go over here on the left-hand side, basically saying your API endpoint is here, proxyapi.ninjasproxy.com, blah, 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 with your API key here. True will just return a JSON array of IP values. You can do without the simple, and it includes a whole bunch more information about the IP. From the API, you can authenticate or de-authenticate an IP. So you can specify the IP up here. So these are two examples of how to do that. Again, you can include your label. Highly recommend doing that. Or if you're running some code and your IPs are changing, you can use the IP equals current. And you can authenticate and de-authenticate IPs using that. And then lastly, down here, you can get a list of authenticated IPs if you don't want to log into the portal. And then last but not least here, we have the billing area. So you click on the billing panel. Basically, this is a demo account, so we're not tied to a subscription. But we use Paddle as our payment processor. So you will basically have a link here and it will take you into your Paddle account where you can change credit card information or PayPal ID depending if, say a credit card's expiring or whatever. This is a way to get to that information. And that about does it here for the portal. Very simple, very straightforward. Typically, you're not even in here except for the first day when you're getting your IPs. We appreciate your business and yeah, have a great day. See ya.